guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am so excited to be unboxing Yogi Surprise. I think it's probably been 2 years since I've unboxed a Yogi Surprise. I should have looked that up. I'll link up some of my old unboxings because it's just kind of funny to see the old style. But I've got the new box, the new sleek, pretty box from them. So I thought, let's dive in and see what's going on. So here's the inside. Very sleek and clean design. I love it. Embrace new adventures. I do need to embrace new adventures. I get so stuck in my ways. Inside, this is what's inside the box. I'm not going to look at that because I want it to be a surprise. On top, we have the Yogi Surprise sequence. And it has 6 different poses. Is that what they're called? That's what I always call them. Or stances. I should probably find that out. That you can do. A lot of these, I keep these little cards right by my desk so that if I realize or if my Fitbit buzzes and says, you have not moved, instead of having to think of yet another thing to do, I can just reference the card that's at my desk and do those stretches, take some deep breaths, kind of get my body moving, and sit back down. I always feel a million times better. Next is a beautiful bracelet, which totally and perfectly matches the pants and outfit I'm wearing today. It's beautiful. It's really, really pretty. And I can't believe it so perfectly matches what I'm wearing right now. I promise y'all I did not look in this box. I just started unboxing with what I had on. That's gorgeous. And did y'all see how easily I slid that on? It has the pull where you can adjust it yourself. I have tiny wrists and bracelets never fit me. So the fact that this fits me is actually pretty exciting. Is this a fanny pack? It's a fanny pack. Now you crazies might not get the fanny pack craze, but you have a couple of kids, fill your hands up with some crap, and you'll realize a fanny pack is a gift from God. Tighten this up a little bit more. I have one, but it's been worn so much it's kind of falling out. So I am stoked to have gotten this one. Once again, I'm a huge fan because I have a little waist and fanny packs often do not fit me. So if y'all can see, I don't know how high this comes. It's still got a little bit more, it can be tightened. It obviously has a lot, it can be loosened, and it fits well. It's made out of materials that you can wipe, and it completely collapses so you can throw it in a suitcase. Freaking love this. Natural deep-free bug repellent, Nantucket Spider, the Backpacker, the official bug spray of the distant shores. So my youngest and my husband, if there's a mosquito in the vicinity, they will find them and bite them. So I keep bug spray with us everywhere. If we're out in the backyard, I don't mind using like organic cutter, but if it's like in my diaper bag or in my purse or in the beach bag, I don't want to be carrying around those things. So I always use organic bug spray because you can get them in this size. It works really well and it typically smells 1,000 times better than normal. Let's see if I can smell this one. Yes, this one smells so much better. So if you spray it on while out and about with family, didn't have to go eat lunch, you won't scare everybody. I'll try it out also and let you guys know what I think. And then Badger Unscented Fair Trade Certified Aloe Vera Gel. Badger is an amazing brand. I use all of their sunscreens. They're really, really good. I love them for the babies. So this is the cooling and soothing after sun gel or even after bug bite gel. I keep this in my diaper bag because of the kids who get bit by mosquitoes. If I don't stop it in time, I have to have this to keep them from scratching, and it does work. I know it. Just Tea Black Pyramid Tea Bags in African Chai. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells like fall. I'm so ready for fall. Let's see. 100% natural ingredients, sweet and spicy with licorice root and cloves. I will try this guy and let you guys know there's 15 tea bags inside of here, which is really, really cool. So if you're noticing, everything is full size and multi-use. Like this will last a very long time, 15 over 2 weeks. Bracelet for me will be years. Fanny pack for me will be years. I think the retail value on this box is $44.95. It's under 50 bucks, I know for a fact. Oh, I think it's a white crystal. Oh, it is, y'all, and it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is really, really pretty. That is really pretty. Can you like change the band out? What is this? Oh, it looks like you can. So like I've got the gold chain, which is actually kind of more my preference, but there's a leather chain. I'll look at in a minute and look that up. And then what is this? Desk Yogi, a 3-month gift membership to Desk Yogi. Oh my gosh, I was just saying. I keep these at my desk because it makes your day so much better when you get up and move around. There's actually an entire membership for 3 months in here. That is super cool. Okay, so Desk Yogi, your card with your tips to yoga poses, full-size aloe gel, full-size bug spray, tea, and then we have the alternate band, plus the one I've got on, plus the fanny pack I've got on, plus the bracelet I've got on for less than 50 bucks. I could not go buy all these things if I wanted to. So yes, this is a crystal quartz pendant, and a faux leather cord is the backup. Very, very cool. So it says the total retail value of this is $105. That makes more sense. Yogi Surprise, y'all are still doing it. It's still such a good box. I'm going to take some photos in the items, post it up, put some information about the different products that I already know are amazing and updated as I use the products. Hey guys, on YouTube, you have to go to the blog, go to my website to get the good coupons. I'll post basic coupons here on YouTube. I'll post basic coupons on the blog post also. If you sign up for my newsletter, that's where you get the really big coupons. That's where the $50 gift cards and the 50% off goods reside. So sign up there. Yogi Surprise, thank you so much once again. Amazing job. We have more unboxings coming y'all's way soon. Bye y'all.